Hello students, welcome back. Now we are taking the poem Wandering Singers from your book English Junction. The poem Wandering Singers is written by Sarojini Naidu. She was known as the Nightingale of India. All her poems have a musical quality and are full of rich lifelike images. The poem is about the band of folk singers, their life and activities, and their experiences. The wandering singers wander from town to town and from village to village to spread the message of love through their singing. Now, let us come to the poem. Where the voice of the wind calls our wandering feet through echoing forest and echoing street, with lutes in our hands, ever singing we roam. All men are our kindred, and world is our home. Here, in the first stanza, the word wander means to roam. It means these singers do not have a particular place to go, they depend on their feet. The poet describes their wandering as their response to the call of the wind. The singers keep singing wherever they are passing through the forest or street, and their songs echo through these places. जहाँ भी ये लोग जाते हैं, जिस भी टाउन में, जिस भी विलेज में ये लोग जाते हैं, वहाँ की गलियों में इनके सॉन्ग्स गूंजते हैं. The singers have a lute. Here, lute means a musical instrument. So, the singers have lute in their hands and never ever they would stop singing. Here, we have another word, kindred, which means relations. It means that all men are the relatives for the wandering singers. They don't have a particular place to live or stay. They consider each and every place on the earth as their home. Now let us come to the second stanza. Our lays are of cities whose luster is shed, the laughter and beauty of women long dead, the sword of old battles, the crown of old kings, and happy and simple and sorrowful things. Here, the word lays means songs and luster means shining. The singers sing songs about cities which lost its fame. यहाँ पे वॉन्डरिंग सिंगर्स उन सिटीज़ के बारे में सॉन्ग्स गाते हैं जो अपना फेम खो चुकी हैं. द सिटीज़ which were once very famous but not any more. वो सिटीज़ जो एक समय में बहुत फेमस हुआ करती थी लेकिन अब उन्हें कोई नहीं जानता है. The singers also sing songs of beauty of women who are not anymore. The poet says that singers sing songs of about the old kings and their battles. They also sang about the fame of old kings. Their songs are about happy and sorrowful things. Wandering singers पुराने राजाओं और उनके बैटल्स के बारे में सॉन्ग सुनाते हैं. Now let us come to the third stanza. What hope shall we gather? What dreams shall we sow? Where the wind calls our wandering footsteps we go. No love bids us tarry, no joy bids us wait. The voice of the wind is the voice of our fate. Here the poet says that the wandering singers do not have any idea about their future and dreams to achieve. They sing and travel where their wandering feet go. वॉन्डरिंग सिंगर्स का कोई फ्यूचर नहीं होता है, उन्हें अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में कोई भी आइडिया नहीं होता है. Here we have a phrase bids is cherry, which literally means ask someone to stay, मतलब किसी को रुकने के लिए कहना. The poet says that if someone shows a lot of love towards these singers, that also won't stop them at a particular place or village. They sing and travel for the sake of their own fate. पोइट कहती हैं कि वॉन्डरिंग सिंगर्स का इधर उधर घूमना ही उनकी किस्मत माना जाता है. ओके, हाउ डू यू लाइक द पोएम? बाय, थैंक यू.